Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll raise a request for quotation, an RFQ, in the Procurement module. Open Procurement. Go to the Indent tab. Each indent is a material requirement raised for sourcing. Here, a mechanical seal. Select the indent you want to source, then click Create RFQ. OEMup generates the RFQ and confirms, RFQ created successfully. Instantly, your vendor receives a branded email with a View RFQ button. Clicking it opens the Request for Quotation form, carrying your company's branding. The vendor enters their quotation number, quotation date, and the date it's valid till. Against each item, they fill in the available quantity and their vendor expected delivery date. They can attach supporting documents, accept your purchase and sales terms, then a thank you screen confirms their quotation has been submitted. Back in the RFQ tab, every vendor's quotation lands here for you to review. Expand an RFQ to see the vendor, the quantity they offered, price per unit, and delivery date, all side by side. Use Add New Vendor to gather more quotes and compare. Enter the quantity you want to order and save. RFQ updated successfully. Once you've chosen your vendor, Create PO turns the RFQ straight into a purchase order.